Hey everybody, Rob here with a quick remodeling tip. Whether you guys are just fixing up a house to flip it, or you're on a low budget remodel, or you just want to spruce things up a little bit and you have old style outlets in your home, maybe the old ivory or almond color that are no longer in style and everybody's going to the white trim nowadays, but you don't want to spend the money for an electrician and you're not that handy as far as pulling outlets out, or you just don't want to go through all that hassle. A really quick way to update those and make them look great on a super tight budget, and we use this in flip properties a lot and in cheap remodels. Check it out how we're going to update our old ivory outlets to white ones without getting into the electric at all. So here I'm going to update this old ivory outlet to a white trim and also the outlet inside. So this is going to be real quick and easy. All you need is a flathead screwdriver, a new trim plate, and I'll show you the secret in a minute. So take off the old cover like so. And if you're painting the walls, you won't need to do this next step, but if you're not painting the walls and you don't want to get anything on the other wall, this is a quick way to get a template. So I take a piece of cardboard, I take the old cover and a pen or Sharpie, and I just trace out the outlet itself, and then I connect the dots. So you have basically the outline of the outlets, and either take a pair of scissors or a razor blade and cut that out. Razor blade would probably be easier, but I don't have one handy. Alright, it's a little crude, but it'll work. And here's the trick. Just get some cheap spray paint. And if you're doing a bunch of these, this is your template. Again, if you're not painting the walls. If you are painting the walls, then go ahead and just spray this and overspray a little bit around it. Your template, put it around your outlet, and lightly mist. Here's the key, lightly mist. You don't want to get gobs of paint into the outlet itself, because that's going to mess up the conductors. Just lightly spray this on. Make sure you're fully covered, and take your new outlet cover. Typically you want to let that dry for a little bit, but for the video we're going to do this pretty quickly. Put your new outlet cover on, and just like that you have an updated white outlet without spending the money for an electrician or getting into electric yourself. About 30-some cents for a cover plate, you know, a couple bucks for a can of spray paint will do your whole house. And this will work for switches as well if you want to do those. Just cut your template differently. So hopefully this tip helped you guys. This is a quick, cheap, easy way to remodel or just spruce up your house, or if you're doing a flip or something like that. So for more tips, please subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, and comment below. Thanks guys, see you on the next one.